Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So let's continue our discussion. Today we are on the second unit of our course, so business environment. So let's have our first slides. No? So business environment, activity types and sectors. Okay, so but I have to share my slides. Okay, so let's move on to our session. Okay. So business activity types and sectors. So normally organization have environment, no? But before that, let's delve on its activity and the types of sector of the businesses, no? So we have the primary business activity. So definition, primary business activities involves the extraction and harvesting of the natural resources from the earth. These are raw materials used in production process. Example, agriculture, growing crops or raising livestock, fishing, harvesting fish from oceans, lakes, and rivers, mining, extracting coal, oils, and other minerals, forestry, harvesting timber for wood and paper. Application provides raw materials for secondary industry, often forms the backbone of developing economies. Agriculture supports the food and textile industry. So we have this company, BP, British Petroleum, oil extraction, Cargill, agricultural commodities, Rio Tinto for mining. For secondary, that's primary. For secondary, activities involves manufacturing and industrial production where raw materials are transformed into finished goods. Na example, construction, building infrastructure, homes, roads, no, manufacturing, producing cars, electronics, clothing, food processing, turning wheat into bread, milk into cheese. Now, these are the second. Application adds value to the raw materials. Raw materials is the primary. So this one, another application, often capital intensive and supports employment in industrial region, drives exports and economic growth in industrial economies. Examples companies Toyota, Nestle. Toyota is car manufacturing, Nestle food and beverage processing, Siemens electronics and engineering. We have the tertiary business activity involves provision of services to business and consumers. For example, techno services, retail, selling goods to customers, banking and service. So where are you now on this primary, secondary, or tertiary? Education and healthcare, schools and hospitals, no? Transportation, education and healthcare, no? Transportation and logistics, delivering goods. Example, FedEx. Education essential in modern economies with high demand for services. Supports for both consumer and businesses, facilitates trade communication and infrastructure. Example, Amazon, e-commerce, Deloitte, business consulting, Uber, transportation service. Na. So here is the activity, primary, main focus, raw materials, example. Secondary, manufacturing, production, example. Industry, food, car food processing, example company is this one. Okay. And then tertiary, service provision, uh, industry, retail, banking, example company, Amazon, HSBC. Okay, let's move on to sector, business sector. Three main business sectors. We have private, public, and tertiary. So we have private sector. Now, what is private sector? Consists of business and organization that are owned and operated by private individual. Now, that's why we make it private. No? Okay, so sole traders, local hairdressers, plumbers, partnership, law firms. No? Like so private limited companies, public limited companies. No? Example, Tesco. Application drives innovations and economic growth, creates employment, and contributes to national income through taxation. Operates in competitive markets to deliver goods. Example companies Apple, Unilever, Virgin. Apple is technology, Unilever, consumer goods. Virgin Atlantic, private learning. So we have public sector, no? Includes organization owned and operated by the government, no? Provide essential service to the public, no? Often funded by taxation. We have healthcare, national health service, education, state schools and university, emergency service, police, fire brigades, public infrastructure, transport, for example, to London, no, Royal Mail. So application provides universal access to essential services. Addresses market failure where the private sector may not provide adequately. Another application focus on public welfare rather than profit. No? So the same in Dubai. No? So almost the same. No? They follow the same concept. Example organization PBC, Public Broadcasting, HM Revenue, Tax and Authority, British Army, National Defense. No? We have the third sector. The third sector is made up of non-government, non-profit organization. Okay? Operate to achieve social, charitable, or community objective. Example, charities, Oxfam Cancer Research, social enterprise, big issues, terms use na. And then cooperatives, the cooperative group na. In UK, in the socialist country, cooperative is one of the pillar no, of their government. Application address social problems and supports vulnerable communities, often fills gaps left by the public and private sectors. No? Reinforces civic engagement and social responsibility. Example organization with Red Cross for disaster relief healthcare, Amnesty International, human rights advocacy, or share redistributing surplus food to those in need. No? So we have private, public, no, the ownership, the main, the example no? Here. No? So private individual shareholders, main aim is profit. Public government, main aim is public service. No? Third is the non-profit voluntary social impact meaning. So these are the three three sectors. Okay, so we have discussed these three things. No? Okay, we have discussed business activity types and sectors. No? So let's continue our discussion in the next segment. Thank you for having me. Bye bye.